Understanding Support with Trellis, a guide to growth. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very specific but interesting phrase, support with trellis. This phrase might sound a bit complex at first, but don't worry, we're here to break it down for you. Understanding the meaning and usage of this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also give you insight into a practice that is quite common in gardening and agriculture. Support with trellis refers to the practice of using a trellis, a framework of light wooden or metal bars, primarily used as a support for fruit trees or climbing plants. The key idea here is support. Plants like vines, climbing flowers, or even some vegetables grow better and healthier when they have something to climb on. A trellis provides this support, allowing plants to grow vertically and gain better exposure to sunlight, which is crucial for their growth. Using a trellis has several benefits. Improves plant health. By elevating the plants off the ground, a trellis can help reduce the risk of soil-borne diseases. Saves space. It's especially beneficial in small gardens, as it allows plants to grow upwards rather than spreading outwards. Enhances garden aesthetics. A trellis can add a beautiful structure to gardens, supporting not just plants but also adding to the overall beauty of the space. Easier harvesting. For vegetable gardens, a trellis makes it easier to see and pick the produce. Understanding the importance of trellis support can be crucial for anyone interested in gardening or agriculture, making it a useful phrase to know. Now that we know what it means and why it's important, let's see how to use this phrase in a sentence. To ensure your cucumber plants grow healthy and strong, support them with a trellis. Many vineyards support vines with trellises to maximize exposure to sunlight and improve grape quality. I decided to support my climbing roses with a trellis, and they've never looked better. Using this phrase accurately in a sentence will not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you communicate more effectively about gardening and plant care. We hope this video has shed light on what it means to support with trellis and why it's such a beneficial practice in gardening. Remember, learning new phrases and expanding your vocabulary can open up a whole new world of understanding and communication. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to explore and ask questions about any new phrases you come across. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.